Right. As part of Applus, we have teams of specialised electrical, control and instrumentation teams. They're trained in all of the international standards and also regional variances to ensure we comply with any changes. Our teams, they carry out all electrical installation, commissioning, fault finding, repair, inspection and upgrade. The teams are also trained in rope access inspection methods where they can inspect the equipment whilst working at height to save time on scaffolding. Some of the service lines that we're able to do, we're able to carry out partial discharge testing and infrared thermography. Using both of the inspection methods, we're able to identify faults in switchgear, switch panels, high voltage networks and power cables. I have one of the equipment here, which is for partial discharge testing. Using the accessories, we can test any breakdown in insulation in cables to detect faults before they cause a catastrophic failure. We're able to use another accessory for outside for switchgear, switch rooms and high voltage power networks. The reporting is easy, straightforward, simple to carry out. Another part of our service line is to carry out inspection of electrical equipment in hazardous areas. A hazardous area can be defined as anywhere where there's gas or dust atmosphere. Specifically in Mongolia, we have a lot of mines, and all of the electrical equipment that is installed in those hazardous areas where there is a buildup of dust, we have to have electrical equipment installed in the correct method. Using our teams, we carry out basic inspection in accordance with the international standard. We carry out the checks on all of the equipment to make sure it's installed correctly as per the design, that it doesn't become a hazard to the personnel working with it, around it, or the installation itself. We also have RFID tags, which using the PDA we can use and record our inspections. And using the software developed, we can carry out a risk-based inspection program to actually reduce the amount of inspections that you need to carry out on a yearly basis. Using the RFID software, we can cut down on the time required, and you can see an online real-time status of your plant and operations along with pictures, defects, what you need to do, materials required to order and how to repair those defects. Okay.